In a steel mill, the air isn't just air. It's loaded with dust, fines, and debris. And if that air makes it into your system, it builds up where you don't want it. That means more maintenance, reduced efficiency, and increased risk to critical equipment. SMAC air handling systems stop that problem at the source, capturing dust before it ever enters your compressor. Cleaner intake air means better performance, longer equipment life, and a more reliable operation. Protect your systems with Systems SMAC.